If your cough has been hanging around longer than your ex, it's not just a little tickle. That's your lungs waving the white flag. First, your chest feels tight. Second, every laugh turns into a coughing fit. Third, people start avoiding you because you sound like a broken lawnmower. Here's the hack. Crush 2 cloves of raw garlic, mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and eat it straight like medicine. Do this once a day, preferably at night. Garlic helps clear your airways, honey calms the throat, and together, they work like a natural cough syrup without the chemicals or price tag. The hospitals hate that I even put this together, but I've got a full guide of hacks like this linked in my bio, but not for long. Follow for more.